What up, kings, queens, prince, and princesses? Welcome to another day of vlogging. Today,
it's Sunday. It's a chill day.
Tomorrow is Labor Day. Tomorrow Labor Day. We at my grandmother's house because tomorrow is Labor Day. A lot of our family members have to work tomorrow, so they just doing a little gathering, a little cooking today because everybody's not gonna be together tomorrow. So my wife, she thought of this bright idea. You know, we did the 2-time spicy noodle challenge last night. She thought of this bright idea to bring the packet of sauce that's spicy. Did you get the other thing that was spicy?
No, the red stuff wasn't spicy. This was made spicy.
So she got this to, hopefully we can find somebody's food to pour this into, and hopefully they eat this. I want to try to get my auntie. If we can't get her, we're going to get somebody else.
Your grandma?
We going to get somebody. We're going to try to get somebody for y'all, but we're about to head in here. We just got here. Everybody is here. Well, not everybody. Well, majority of everybody who's coming is here already, but we're about to head in right now. The kids, they stayed over to my parents' house. They stayed over there last night, so they was calling up for us to come pick them up.
They said they were pretty bad. But I don't think so.
But
they were just missing mommy.
Yeah, not me.
Mommy.
Daddy. But we're about to head in right now. This is what we did that Nerf gun prank at.
Hey, y'all. Hey.
Welcome to another day of vlogging.
You miss me?
Dominique, look what I'm watching.
I can't go over there because I'm going to get copyrighted.
Brandy won't do this, y'all.
Oh, wait. All right, guys. We just chilling at my grandmother's house, and they started eating. So we're about to try find some way so we can sprinkle it in her food. Hopefully we can do it successfully. If not, I'm gonna just have my mom to do it because she trusts her a little bit more than she do us. But we eating. My mama, we just chilling. My mama watching our video. She watching our prank, but hopefully this goes successful. I may not be able to record us pouring it in there, but you better believe I'm gonna record us. We'll record her after she eat it. We're gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all my mama reaction when she get to the part where Tiara on me.
You want some? Go tell Mama fish you some. Oh my goodness. Tiara.
I ain't find that funny. What you want? You got your arm out. You want her to clean it off for you. And she's still not cleaning it off. Yeah, that was disgusting. I ain't find that funny. Oh, God. You, Dominique, you better move when she throw up on you. Come over. Don't tell me nothing about no throw up. Oh, go to the bathroom. Go. She about to throw up. That's nasty. Watching other people throw up make her throw up. I'm gonna get her back. Watch. Oatmeal, she just poured in the cup. Oatmeal, she poured in the cup. Oh my God. We just showed him. He found it funny. I don't find that funny. Well, it's funny now, but that wasn't funny. You said, with your eyes closed. They think that's funny, but that ain't funny. Because he had his eyes closed like this, and he didn't know what was. I'm about to show everybody up. She keep pointing out the when I shake my hand. My wife. That ain't funny. We still at my grandmother's house, and my cousin, he just brought me outside. He just purchased his first motorcycle. That's my cousin PJ. I just brought Dominique. Well, I'm bringing Dominique outside so he can see it. He gonna like this. He said he put $1.85 in here and filled it up, and it take him 100 miles. What's that?
A motorcycle.
You like that? Guess who motorcycle that is? That's PJ. You wanna ride it? Nah, you sit on it? Well, you can ride on right there. He about to ride Dominique in the parking lot. Come on.
I don't want to go too fast.
You not. You just gonna go right there slow. Answer. You put your feet on here, all right? Hold on tight. Put your feet up there. Don't move your feet down. Hold right there. It's gonna burn. Don't put your feet down, okay? His first motorcycle ride. You like it? For real? You was squeezing him tight. He said he was squeezing them tight. You like motorcycles? He about to go in there and tell his mama. Ma, BJ brought me on his motorcycle. That way he about to go do. All right, guys, it is currently the very next day. The same day that you're watching this is the same day I recorded this. But we made it home last night. We crashed. Well, we was watching TV and then we crashed. But it's currently the next day. I forgot I didn't end the vlog. So I'm coming on here to end the vlog properly. I love you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I got some in my teeth. Go, we just ate. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And always remember, you are a king. You are a queen. You are a prince. And you are a little bitty princess. Bye. Hope you guys are having a nice day. I'm about to start another vlog from this point right here. Here we go.